Hey everyone, this is Armin. Today we're going to solve Leetcode problem concatenation of array. So we have given an array of nums where 1 to 1 repeat itself so that the answer becomes 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So basically we are given an array and we are actually repeating the answer one more time. So 1 to 1 and then we again going to repeat it one more time. So this becomes 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So we have two ways to solve this problem. The first way is we take the nums and we multiply it by 2 or however the question asks. So what will happen is it's going to return a new array where the array is going to repeat it 2 times by itself. So the answer becomes 1 to 1, 1 to 1. That's what we are looking for over here. That's a good way, to solve this problem, and actually this is the fastest way. But the other way what we can do is we can make a new output and we can go through the array, and each time we go we add the numbers over here. So for example, with the first iterate we can do 1, 2, 1, and to the second iterate we can again add 1, 2, 1. So one approach would be to use a Python built-in operation. Those are perfectly valid solution. If you are learning a data structures and algorithm, it's useful to understand, how to build that result manually, and that's what we're gonna try. Since we need the array twice, we can loop it over 2 times. So inside that loop, we can iterate through every element of nums and append it to our output. So what does that mean is when we go through our first iteration, we will add 1, 2, 1. And for our second iteration, we can again do 1, 2, 1. Which gives us the final answer. And that's I think the best way to solve this problem. Let's talk about the performance. So the time and complexity. We iterate through 2 times. So 2 times n, basically. Ignoring the concept, this will become O to the n, okay? So space complexity, our result stores 2n elements. So the space complexity also becomes 2n. But again, this is the longer version. I know some people will just, the easier version for them will be just multiply this by 2 times. And that's acceptable too, but this is how I'll solve the problem. So let's see this problem in action. So first, we will make a new variable. And because I'm gonna go 2 times, because I want to append the list 2 times, that's why I'm going to make a for loop that repeats 2 times. And within that, I'll make another loop. Return answer. And when I submit this, it passed everything. The another way which I was talking that people can do is just doing nums into 2, and that can also give you the same result. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, and make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.